Okay, we're gonna work a sweep from the closed guard, okay? So one of my favorite techniques I'm gonna set up here. So as usual from the guard, anytime you're in a closed guard, you always wanna reach up deep on the collar. Make sure your thumb is facing you. When you reach up, you have a nice curve around the neck, okay? The second hand's always gonna be on the arm above the elbow and grab it in the seam and the gi, okay? So now my opponent's real strong. He's gonna break the grip on my sleeve. No sense re-grabbing the collar. I'm just gonna go right to the sleeve here. So I'm gonna have the 2-on-1. Real quick, you stick your thumb in, curl it towards you, and you have your forefinger curl grip right here. He's gonna bring both elbows on my stomach, kind of preventing me from dragging the arm across to the other side, okay? So what I gotta do is open my guard. I still have pressure with my legs. I don't have loose legs. So when I uncross my feet, he doesn't know. Okay? So here, now I'm just gonna do this movement, boom, and then I'm gonna put my foot on the hip and chop up high another leg. Now I'm just gonna up into my body straight, and it's gonna make it easy for me to drag the arm across my stomach and fall to my side, okay? I immediately grab the material on his armpit, and I keep the pressure. I just push it with my palm and try to pull your arm back. He's not gonna have any strength. Now I could start taking the back from here, but I'm gonna do something else. I'm gonna set up a different sweep. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna grab his belt. But what you gotta do is don't reach over your leg, and then you'll trap your own self here. You gotta open your leg and grab the belt at the same time. So I'm gonna put this left foot on the hip as I grab the belt, right there, okay? Now, using my foot, I'm gonna slide back just a little bit so I can put my butterfly hook inside, okay? Now he's gonna naturally just posture up, and I get up on my elbow with him, and then I just go and place my second hook in, okay? Now the whole time I'm pulling with the belt. I don't have a loose grip here, because if I have a loose grip here, he's gonna posture up real easy. I wanna make it hard for him, so I'm pulling on the belt, giving him pressure, and I'm gonna let go of the sleeve here. He's gonna pull his arm out, okay? But he's gotta keep the hand on the ground, because if he lifts it up, I'm gonna pull his face from the ground. So he's gotta use this hand to keep him up. He can't use the hand behind me, it's not gonna do him any good. So he's gonna come up as high as he can using this hand here, and all I'm gonna do is scoop under the triceps like this. I'm not gonna grab his wrist, and I'm not gonna go here. I'm gonna go right above the elbow, I'm gonna pull it in, and just simply go for the foul position.